Well, hello everyone. I would like you please to realize that we're going to try to solve a system of equations, and in this case, we're trying to solve the following equation. So here we go: x plus 2y equals 3z. I mean 3. Sorry, and then again, here we go. I know it looks upside down, but I'm trying to play with your minds a little bit. We're trying to be creative, I guess. If it is disorienting, figure out a way to orient yourself fine. So here we go. So we have x plus 2y equals 3. And then for x, the second equation, plus, let's say, 5y equals 6. And we're trying to solve this here. Now, the idea then is when you're trying to solve a system like this, you have so many different options. But one of the options, though, is to try to actually, by the way, the upside here stuff is not, a mistake. It's actually intentional. To play with your brain a little bit, with your mind a little bit. Call it Nadji creativity. But anyway, so what we could do here, we could try to eliminate the x values, or the x terms here. And since one of them is 4x, the other is x, we could multiply both sides of the first equation by, oh, I like this. This is the simple multiplication right there by -4. In doing so, we're going to get -4 and positive 4x. That would be giving us the following expression. So we end up with -4x, and then -4 times 2y, that would be -8y. And then -4 times 3, that would be -12. And then the second equation, we're going to write it just as is. We don't change anything about it. Okay? And then at this point here, we are going to add both of these expressions. So these two cancel out. That was the objective, or the point of doing so. But then -8y and positive 5y, that would be -3y, is equal to -12 plus 6, that's -6. Now, my friends, what we're dealing with is we're dealing with -3y is equal to -6. So in order for me to obtain the value of y, I need to divide both sides by -3. So -3y divided by -3 and -6 divided by -3. So that would give us -3 and -3 cancel out. And then -6 divided by -3, that's just 2. Therefore, the solution in this case is y equals 2. So now we determine one value. At this point, since we have one value determined, which is the y, it would be nice for us to substitute this either in here or in here and solve for x to be able to get the value of x. So, in this case then, I am going to use the top one because the x is already by itself. So, I don't have to do any divisions later because of the lack of coefficient, or rather the coefficient is equal to 1. So in this case then, I am going to say x plus 2 times y, since the y is supposed to be 2 here, that would be equal to 3 according to this. So x is equal to 4, is 4 plus x plus 4 equals 3, and from that we get x equals -1, because when you do -4 and -4 here, you get -1, and that's the second term right there. So the final answer in this case ends up being, the -1, comma 2. Of course, before we finish anything, it would be a nice idea to check our work to see if it is correct. The way to check it, you could substitute both of these in here and here to figure that out, or you could do a graphing method to be able to figure out what the answer is. Thank you.